Are you tired of uncooked pasta? Are you sick of slaving over your sauce? Does hot water make your blood boil? For too long, delicious spaghetti has just been too difficult to really enjoy. But no more. Introducing Crock-Pot Thursdays. The meal is prepared for you, so all you need to do is work here, wait for lunchtime, and eat. It's that easy. For a limited time only, this Thursday offers noodles, bolognese sauce, garlic bread, and even a side salad. That's not all. It even comes with dessert. Gingerbread cookies. Call today to order your very own Crock-Pot Thursday meal. Offer not available in some areas, such as reality. This is completely a joke for the purpose of this video. However, this meal is delicious, so you should definitely try it out. Must be 18 years of age or older to vote, but not to enjoy this dish. Crock-Pot Thursdays.